Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be working on this new game called Ball Haul, and basically what I want the game to be is like there's this ball and you have to use the arrow keys to rotate it and like spin it across the map and across obstacles. So let's begin. Now, first off, obviously we need a ball. So let's make it. We go in 2D object and choose a circle, I guess. And we have our ball. I think that's a good size for it. Let's just place it right about here for now. And what I want to add to it is a rigid body 2D. And what this will do is, let's see, we have this, that, and then we have that. Okay. Okay, so let's just make a ground real quick and see if it worked. Just gonna add this right here. Not really working on the like textures right now. Just testing if it will work. But this one's like none. So simulate, how do I make it not fall? Oh, I go into constraints and freeze all of these. That should work. Let's see if it works. No, it does not. Or maybe, oh, none of them have collision boxes. Let's just add that. Box collider 2D. Should work. And then we do the same thing for this guy. Okay, let's try that again. And success. The ball landed on the floor and nothing happened. Now if we were to rotate it, yes, it does not. Ooh. Let's see. We have our ball here. Now let's see here. Oh, it's a box collider. Silly me. Is there like a circle collider? There we go. Okay, this should work now. There we go. It rolls off and falls into the abyss. Perfect. Now let's see. As this works, now we need to add a texture to this ball just because, you know, we need that. So let's open up Photoshop and attempt to make a ball texture. Okay, we are in Photoshop. Do not look at the recents. And we'll just make a new one. Let's see here. We can go by pixels. Let's see. Can we get a 1x1? A 1x1. I guess this is our 1x1, but if there's something better. Okay, we have a square and it's white, but obviously we need it to be a circle. So we can select this and make it a wrong thing. We need to select this and make it an elliptical marquee tool. And what we do is we go to the far right corner here and make go all the way here so it's 1000 by 1000. Come on. Fine. By 101. It'll trigger you forever, but it's fine. Let's just mask that. And let's have it output to a new layer. I'm sure there's like a much better way to do this, but this is the way I'm doing it. Now let's see. Ooh, we could do a gradient. That would look really nice. Let's see. We could do we can do an up and down gradient, or we could do like this one up here where it's like going from the middle and like going out. But let's see. I think I'll do the like regular line one. Nah. Okay. So we set the color. We need this one to be like bright blue, and then this one is like darker. I don't know what that does. Okay. Oops, we need to make a new layer mask texture. Okay, let's try that again. Let's see. Let's see, why can't I see it? You see, that's what's confusing about Photoshop. Nothing ever works. So, let's see. Since it clearly does not work, oh, we can turn it into a paint bucket. I guess that's also good. And then we just choose a color, I guess. You know, that's pretty good. Let's make it a bit darker. That's good. And now for the actual texture, I'll get the biggest brush, or kind of big, and just choose black and then we choose like a smaller one, and we need it to be just right. Okay, I think that's pretty good for now. We might change it later, but that's all I'm gonna do for now. Let's just quickly export this. Yeah. Okay, back in Unity, we make a new folder. I'm gonna call it textures. And then in here, we just import our photo. Okay, and we change this to sprite. Oh, it's already sprite. Perfect. Now, for the moment of truth, applying this to our. Hopefully, it's the right size and all that. Oh, that is a little bit too big. Can we change the scale to like match it? There we go. That should work. Yay, it doesn't work. Kind of like sinks into the block. Why is that? What happened to... Oh, let me guess. Our circle collider changed. Since we made it 0, we need it to be just 5, and that is perfect. There we go. And now a rolling test. There we go. Our ball moves and falls into the abyss, just like we want him to. Now that we have this, we can just start working on all the other textures. So like for the block here, we need a good texture. I'm thinking something like dark grayish. So like your blue character is the bright one, and then everything else is kind of like grayish. So let's do that. Let's see. We need a really like thin one. Let's set our own. If we make the width like, let's see, we make this like, we keep this 1,000, but then the height is like 50. No, 500. Does that work? No, not really. Let's just quickly change that. There we go. That's perfect-ish. So actually, let's just size that again. Width, you're gonna be like 500 now. Okay, so we got the correct size. Now we just need to color it. I'm thinking of using the fill tool, but having a texture or a pattern. Trees, grass, and we have water. So we have these. I'll choose the grass texture, and it turns into grass. Choose a blue one. Does it like tint it blue? No. Okay, let's see. Changes it to grass and then actually, what if we just did this? We get the polygon lasso tool and then we just zoom in and do this. I know it's not the best way to do it, but it's a way to do it. Okay, we have that. Okay, perfect. We output this to a new layer. So what this does, if we make both of them visible, that means we can set the background to be one texture and the bottom to be another. So this grass actually works out pretty well. We might want to just erase one part here. Oh, that's a big eraser. Okay, and then we make the bottom section, our layer 0, to be a color. Let's make it we need to make it pale tan. Less pale. Nope. No, that's not really working. I do this to the bottom layer, and to the top layer I just fill it with green. Oh. And then the bottom layer will be not yellow, but like, no, not that. Why are there like no tan colors in the world? Hey, that looks pretty good. Let's just erase this part again. And perhaps scale down this image. And make this part go to like here. No, why is it do that. Perfect. And then we just crop the entire image to be just like that. Perfect. Now let's just export this as well. And finally put it into here. Now this is a spray and all that. Now we click on this guy and he shall be this. Now obviously gets stretched as always. So let's see. No, tile does not work. Slice does not work. If only there was like a stretch. Is it in here? Oh well. I guess we'll have to do the whole like scaling thing. How is there no stretch? There really is no stretch to like stretch it back into shape. Oh well, I guess we'll do it the hard way. We'll do it for every single sprite. Wait, it looks like we have to do polygon. Did that fix it? Okay. Two seems to work well. Now we just change the collision box so it fits again. Perfect. Let's test it. Works. And now, to change the background color, I need it to be something brighter, but doesn't blend in with the background. Okay, I think that's a pretty good color. And okay, that has been part 1 of this outstanding game we're making. So I hope you liked the video. Make sure to hit the like button and click the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.